All right, so terminal integrated right-click behavior. So this setting controls how terminal reacts to a right-click. And you have three options here. Select word, so selects the word under the cursor and show the context menu. You have default, which is shows the context menu only. Or you have copy paste, which means it will copy when there is a selection, otherwise it will try to paste. Okay, so let me show you select word. So if I right click like this application word, it selects it and then shows the context menu. Not very useful, to be honest. This just shows the context menu, like as expected. And this one either copies if there is a selection or tries to paste. So if I select application and right click, I copied that. And if you try and paste that here, you'll paste application. If there is no selection, you're going to try to paste that. Whoops, try to paste that. Now you can see that here, but you can change the terminal and see that I'm right clicking and it's pasting that. All right, so which one to use? I don't find the default value of select word or the copy paste to be useful, because if I want to copy a word, I can just select it and copy it with Command C. And I don't want the word to be selected when I right click it. I find that to be weird. So I'm going to set this to default, meaning if I right click, I'm going to have the contextual menu. Otherwise, if I want to copy a word or something, and just double click it, copy, and then I have it here, right? So recommended, copy, have it here. So I'm gonna set this to default. Hey guys, so there's a new option in terminal integrated right-click behavior since version 1.40. So it's this option right here, paste actually. Let me get this out of the way. Paste. So previously we had copy, paste, default, and select word. Now we have another option, which is paste. And paste just, pastes on right-click, right? So if you have some word copied into the clipboard and you right click here, it's gonna, that's what it's going to do. Still, my opinion remains the same. I think that just having the contextual menu is what's more useful to me. I don't really see any value in doing in the terminal with the mouse what could be done with the keyboard. So yeah.